Hi guys, welcome to my video, and for today's video I'm going to teach you how to reduce or how to remove the lagging of your Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have a project right here, and I will play the video, and you notice that the video is lagging. Right? If you notice, it keeps going back and forth. So the reason for that is because there are too many videos, adjustment layers. There is a movie grain that is added. So for us to be able to reduce or remove that lagging, we need to do these things. First, you need to go to edit, click preferences, or hover your mouse over to preferences, and then click memory. On your memory, make sure that RAM reserved for other applications is reduced to the lowest possible. If you have 15.9 gigabyte RAM or 16 gig RAM, you need to make sure that this RAM reserved for other application is on the lowest, so that you can provide more memory for your Adobe project. Optimize rendering for, make sure that it's on performance, and then click OK. If you will notice, this tab or this option is on full. It means that the video is on full resolution. So you can change it to 1/2. Let's see if it will reduce the lagging. So it's still lagging a bit, but it already reduced the lagging. And if we are going to lower down the resolution to 1/4, let's see if it will totally remove or reduce the lagging. So the video is now running smoothly. So we changed it to 1/4. It reduced the video resolution, but this is only for editing. Okay, on your actual video, once you export the project, the video is still or should be on the full resolution. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.